The victory is that which requires no battle. Sun Tzu. The marinade surrenders. Soy, ginger, thyme. No fork. Behold the arsenal. Flour, water, pork, aspic, soy, Shaoxing, sesame oil, scallions, ginger, sugar, pepper. Cantonese may refine, but we demand fire. Simmer pork skin to gelatin. Chill. Dice. Once I court-martialed a mushroom for insubordination. Combine flour and water. Knead until smooth. Rest the dough like a disciplined regiment. Mix pork with soy, wine, oil, scallions, ginger, sugar. This is the vanguard of flavor. Place filling. Fold, pleat 12 times. Then slam fist on dough. Flour leaps like cavalry. He who knows when he can fight and when he cannot will be victorious. Steam is our battlefield. Glistening sting buns. Reveal molten broth. Enemies surrender, captured and... Dip, bite, broth erupts like artillery. Good.